Hey guys, it's Kia. I'm gonna be reacting to EXO White Noise plus Thunder. EXO'rDIUM from their concert. Here we go. Last time I reacted to their concert was 2019, I think, but here we go. Oh no. All right, Bacon. What? Whew. Wait. Oh no. Yes, good job. Whew, Bacon. Oh, these pants. Kai. Mm-mm. 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 Who is their stylist? Who put whatever tight leather pants on them? Because it is too big. Oh shoot! Oh my goodness! I'm sorry. No. Mm-mm. Kind of just, oh goodness, I can't. And then he doing this smiling. I can't take that smiling. Wrong. Shoot. Look. Ooh. I can't. Yes. Not the water. Oh, what? What is this? Hold up. I don't know what just happened. See this. Did he just say, "Don't you want me, baby"? Hold up. Okay, say hi. I cannot take it smiling. Bacon. Did you see? Look. Like, you know, let me take a moment right now because this is too much. Those fans who went to that concert, they are surely lucky, because I don't know when this concert was. I think at the time I wasn't into K-pop, but if I was, I would be upset if I didn't go to this concert, because oh goodness, I can't. Dio singing his heart out. The sneakiness. He's very sneaky. I know. He keeps smiling. Yes, Bacon. Mm, 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 mm. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Hey! It was just the back. It was just the back of Kai. Oh my gosh. Why did I get... See? Lay... I want to know who keep putting Lay's shirt short. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. Okay. I definitely want to go to an EXO concert. I definitely do. I don't know if they do like... Do they do international concerts, or do they do mainly in Korea and Japan and stuff? Cause sing it, sing it. What? Bacon. Oh, Bacon voice is so beautiful. All their voices is so beautiful, including the rappers. You know they have a voice. Yes. That water better not come back. I'm sorry. I started blushing. I can't wait for them to come back. I can't wait for everybody to just reunite. Oh, you okay, Bacon? Go one more time, Kai. One more time. My heart racing because all right, sit. I love this. I love this so much. It's like a family. And then with the cheering of the fans, diehard fans, I love it. I love it. The smiles, everything. Oh, yes. Lay. Gosh. Yes. Oh, my glasses. Oh. Kai. Vegan. I'm sick of this. I am sick of this. Hey. Okay. I can't with these men. I can't. Why you gotta sing to me like that, Lay? Oh. Oh my gosh, I love this voice. I love it. And those contacts. You better sing it, Dio. Ooh, all right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'm not. Oh no, no, no. Lay. Lay. Lay, what's, I mean, you better go sit down somewhere. Oh. Goodness, they're getting down. Good. Get out of my face! Oh no. Do not rap to me like that. Say hi. I'm staring at the. Oh my goodness. Oh, my heart is racing. Oh my gosh. My heart's racing. I want to beat up someone right now. It's gonna be Kai. I'm gonna beat you up. But anyway, that was too much. That was too much. But really though, I really want to go to their concert. Whenever they have another concert, I want to go. But I don't know if they do international concerts that I know of. Maybe they did. But I mostly see like people posting clips from like Japan, Korea. So I don't know, but that's one thing. I can't wait for all of them to come back, make a comeback, and attack. Okay, I don't know why I'm asking for them to attack, but I'm hoping that they come back. We need them. We need for them to come back because listen, them vocals. But I know they're doing like acting. They got other schedules to do, but that's okay. That's okay. But when everybody gets out of that military, when everybody do their military duty and stuff, I'm gonna be ready for them to come back and make some music, some more good music. Because out of all the songs I've heard from them, not one that I did not like. All of them I did like. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope everyone's having a good and blessed day. Bye, guys.